One thing we hear from dentists all the time is, I want to get more patients, but I want to get high quality patients. Nobody wants a flood of new patient leads or phone calls from people who aren't serious. They call, they ask a million questions, they just waste your staff's time, and then they never book an appointment. Or worse, they book an appointment and then they never show up. In today's video, we're going to talk about what you can do to attract those coveted high quality patients and take your practice to the next level. Let's get started. If you want to be healthy, then you need to eat healthy. Have you ever seen people who every day they just eat junk food and snacks or whatever is quick and convenient? They're usually in terrible shape. They're always tired. They're always in a bad mood. I'm sure many of us can relate, and most of us know a few people in our lives that fit that description. Business is no different. If you want to build a high quality dental practice, then you obviously need to attract high quality patients. You need to attract patients who value dentistry, who value their oral health, they value your time, they value your expertise, they value the care that you can provide. So, how do you attract these kinds of patients? The first thing we need to do is ask ourselves, is our practice the type of practice that a high quality patient would actually be attracted to? It may seem like a silly question, but I assure you it's a very legitimate one. Dentistry is one of these professions where everybody already seems to think they're doing a great job. If you're in a room with 1,000 dentists and you say, put your hand up if you go above and beyond with your dental care, all 1,000 dentists are going to put their hands up. If the room is filled with 1,000 dental receptionists and you ask, put your hand up if you deliver exceptional customer service and you treat your patients like family, all of them are going to put their hand up, even the ones who are horrible on the phone and they treat patients like garbage. I would say that as many as 9 out of 10 dentists who use the RevUp Dental software to monitor what is happening every day, day to day at the front desk, are completely shocked when they hear how new patients are being treated and what is being said to them over the phone. I'll put a link down below of examples of emails our dentists and office managers have sent over the years about how shocked they were to discover what was really going on day to day in their practice right under their noses. And keep in mind that every one of those emails were from dentists and managers who are absolutely convinced that their team was doing an excellent job and providing fantastic customer service. But they had no accountability system to track whether or not that was actually happening. So if you want to attract those high quality patients, you really need to think about what sets you apart from every other dental practice in your area. Remember that those other practices are also looking to get high quality patients, and they also believe they're an excellent dental practice. So let's take a look at some ways that you can really stand out. Most new patients start their search for a new dentist online. They go on Google and type something in like best dentist near me. Google presents them with a number of practices to pick from. When a patient browses the websites of those practices, they all more or less say the same thing. We're accepting new patients, we offer exceptional dental care, we treat patients like family, blah, 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 blah. As a patient, how do I know any of this is true? How can I tell which of those practices really does offer exceptional dental care and actually does treat their patients like family? Well, most patients, they're going to turn towards the reviews. If 2 practices say they offer exceptional dental care, but one of them has 75 Google reviews and a 4.5 out of 5 rating, and another practice has 500 Google reviews and a 4.9 rating, guess which one the high quality patients are going to call first? Similarly, if a patient browses the website of 2 dental offices, and one of them proudly displays local awards that they've won, providing, exceptional dental care, Reader's Choice Awards, 3 best rated, things like that. Guess which one patients are likely going to call first? Patient testimonial videos are also very powerful at building your social proof. If I go on your website and I see a wall of happy patient faces, people who are going on camera and talking about how great of a dentist they think you are, that's going to strongly resonate with those high quality patients who are looking for a high quality dental practice. Put yourself in their shoes. Would you rather go to a dentist who says on their website that they provide excellent dental care? In other words, they think they're great. Or would you rather go to a dentist whose patients are saying that they provide great dental care? Who would you trust? When it comes to bigger procedures like Invisalign or dental implants, patients are going to spend a lot more time researching where to go. Again, every practice that offers these procedures or services is trying to convey to patients that they'll do an excellent job, that they're experts on dental implants, and that they're going to be in good hands if they decide to come to their practice. However, as a patient, I don't really know who to trust, but I'm much more likely to trust the dentist who took some time to really explain these procedures in videos like this one. Big cosmetic procedures are not some impulse buy item. People really want to know how it works, if it's going to work for them, what they can expect, how that particular practice does that procedure. Who's the dentist that's going to be doing the work? How knowledgeable and experienced are they?
Are implants as strong as natural teeth?
Although that isn't something that is easily measured, but once osseointegration has occurred or the implant has grown into the patient's jaw, it provides the same strength, if not better, than a natural tooth and provides good chewing efficiency.
Creating a series of excellent educational videos for potential patients to educate them on the different services that you offer can really set you apart from every other dentist in your area who says on their website, "Yeah, we do dental implants too, give us a call." These videos give patients a chance to virtually meet you, create a strong first impression, and they really establish you as an authority when it comes to dentistry. Now, these are just a few ideas and strategies for what you can do online, but it's just the tip of the iceberg, and we need to look deeper at how your staff are handling those new patient calls, giving them the tools and training to really deliver exceptional customer service. So when that high quality patient does call, you're not making them feel like, maybe going to your practice might be a mistake. Here's an example. One of our clients was really big on holistic dentistry. It was something that he was very passionate about, something that was very important to the people in his area, and something that he wanted his practice to be known for. We created a lot of great content, promotions, marketing campaigns to attract patients to his practice that were looking for holistic dentistry. But have a listen to what happened when those patients actually called the practice.
Thank you for calling dental office. This is how may I assist you?
Yes, can you tell me if your dentist is holistic?
Pardon?
Is your dentist a holistic dentist?
No, we're not holistic.
Oh, okay. I'm looking it up online and it says that you guys are.
No, we don't do holistic dentistry.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye.
You may think this is a rare and silly example, something that could never happen in your office. But I want to assure you that if you're not actually tracking and analyzing the calls coming in, things like this are probably happening all the time. Here's another example. One of our clients wanted to attract more Invisalign patients. They had tried working with a number of marketing companies to run Invisalign campaigns and promotions with disappointing results. Very few new patients were coming in for Invisalign, so they just assumed that those marketing companies just didn't know what they were doing. That is until our RevUp Dental software showed them what was actually happening when people were calling in about Invisalign. Have a listen.
You're checking for braces, you said?
Yeah, but like the invisible ones that you just put in, I forgot what they're called.
Invisalign?
Yeah, that.
We don't do Invisalign braces at our office.
Now, it may seem like I'm being negative towards the front desk team. The truth is, the majority of dental staff are wonderful and very hardworking people, and they juggle a million things every day to keep the office running. The reality is, in most cases, they are kind of being set up to fail. Nobody's taken the time to train them on how to actually deliver exceptional customer service over the phone. In a company like Ritz-Carlton, employees go through months of training before they're even allowed to touch a phone. In most dental offices, there's virtually no training for new staff. They come in, they're told, here's the desk, here's the chair, here's the phone. Good luck. Nobody is monitoring how new patient calls are being handled, reviewing the recordings, and providing each team member with personalized coaching and advice. Nobody's working with the team to practice how to handle different objections or what verbiage to use next time a patient calls and says, "Hey, how much do you charge for Invisalign?" If the office does engage with a training company or a consultant, in almost all cases, nobody's actually tracking if the team even uses anything that they've been trained on. I've seen it hundreds of times before. Dentists will spend a fortune to fly their team out to Vegas or Florida for a team training seminar, and they have hours and hours of lectures from industry professionals. And after the seminar, they go out for drinks and they party and they all have a great time. And then on Monday morning, Everyone returns to the office and just goes back to business as usual. The dentist's money went from the dentist's pocket to the consultant's pocket, and that expensive staff training that they paid for went in one ear and out the other. There's a reason that when you call a company like Ritz-Carlton or a Mercedes dealership that you'll hear,
Please note that calls are recorded for quality and training purposes.
because guess what? They're actually reviewing those calls and they're using it to better train their team and ensure that they do provide high quality customer service. Companies who attract high quality customers put in a lot of effort to ensure that they're the kind of company that high quality customers want to do business with. They don't assume that, we don't need to check or have any kind of accountability system. We already know we're great. But this is exactly the kind of mindset that exists in most dental offices. And these are usually the offices that have the most issues with what they deem low quality patients, and they're always looking for a solution. If you want to learn how to turn your dental practice into the Mercedes dealership of your area, the one that attracts high quality patients looking for the best dental care, then head on over to revupdental.com and book a demo with our team today. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.